Hi Suresh, what happened? You seem to be in a bad mood at the moment.
Yes, I am. I went to start the genset because of the power cut, but it does not seem to start. I have tried calling the mechanic many times, but he's just not responding. My production has stopped and I'm incurring losses every minute.
Suresh, I'm sorry to hear that. Don't you have an AMC on your genset?
No man, I didn't opt for the AMC as I had to pay more and didn't see value in the same. When the Koel Care engineer was recommending it, what does AMC has to do in this situation?
Well, AMC is an important package you should subscribe to avoid situations like what you're facing now. AMC offers various benefits and also have maintenance schedules tied into it. This means the Koel Care engineer will regularly visit you to check the health of the genset. You will also get priority and special attention for any services as a Bandhan customer. A 24/7 customer contact helpline makes availing any service easy and fast. This will keep your genset in prime health at all times. Do you see the value in the AMC package now?
Oh, yes. I think it's a good option to opt for, along with the genset.
Alternatively, you can avail the Bandhan program anytime. Do you know that if you are enrolled in the Bandhan program, you can contact Koel Care through www.koelcare.com, Koel Connect app, or a 24/7 help desk number. Suresh, let me help you out of this situation. Let me call the help desk number to get your genset fixed.
To take care of all your service requirements, contact your Koel Care service dealership. Koel Care provides all services related to your genset under one roof. Contact Koel Care authorized service dealerships or Koel Care 24/7. Help desk number 8806 334433.